Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the show. Today is Thursday, May 30th, 2019. Let's begin. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, everybody. New subscribers, welcome. If you haven't, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe here. Crypto Analysis, where we do videos and upcoming altcoin news and announcements here. Ryan Lopez, make sure to subscribe. And if you haven't checked out my previous two reviews I did of Denarius coining Electra, check them out. Lots more new content to come. And to start off today, I'm just going to start by showing a quick clip that I found. And this is between two guys by the name of London Real and David Icke. David Icke is a conspiracy theorist, most notably for his conspiracies on the reptilian shapeshifters. And London Real, he has a YouTube channel and does interviews, interviews with people, and I saw some of him talking about his ayahuasca experience. Well, in this video they're talking about the money system and kind of what they think about it, and cryptocurrency comes up. Thought it was kind of interesting, and I'm just gonna play it and let you guys let you guys see what you think about it. So let's see what they say.
When there's no cash in circulation, your electronic money, which is meant to go through a microchip eventually, when they say the system won't accept your microchip or your card, you have no other means of purchase. So whoever controls the system is dictating whether you can purchase or whether you can't, whether you can eat or whether you can't. And the only other alternative...
So pretty much their argument is that he's saying that the big corporations, the big banks, they want to head towards a virtual cashless society with microchip processor payments. Everyone has a chip, and then that way they can control your chip. Pretty interesting. Let's see.
So that's along the line as well.
How does cryptocurrency play into this?
Well, what is cryptocurrency? Cashless society.
Yeah.
Now,
and created by a private institution, another currency created by...
And right there he says cryptocurrency created by a private institution, which is incorrect. So that to me shows he doesn't really have a good understanding of cryptocurrency. But let's continue.
Yeah, I'm not saying that there couldn't be good things with things like Bitcoin and stuff like that, as long as cash stays in circulation. That's the key.
So
like
you
I
have
said,
an anonymous option.
Yeah.
Really.
While cash is in circulation, you have other points of or ways of purchase. Once there's no cash and you have only cashless digital currencies, then whoever controls them controls everything. And not only that, they can wipe your bank account. If you're a dissident to the system, as this moves on into more extremes, they can wipe your bank account.
If you're a dissident of the system, they could wipe your bank account. Wow, those are some pretty strong words there. Well, is this a hint of what's to come in the future? I guess only time will tell. Some interesting viewpoints there. Just wanted to share that, and you guys can think what you want of it. Now let's check out some Bitcoin TA, some technical analysis here. Alright, well, looking at the big picture, Bitcoin has been having a mini parabolic run, and, well, we've just been hovering around this $8,700 mark for a few days. This is the daily chart that we're on here. Let me just double check. Yeah, we're on the daily. Pretty bullish action. The volume's declining a little bit here, but we've been holding these levels. I would expect some kind of a pullback here at some point. But then again, I've been expecting a pullback here for the past few weeks and still has been going up, but can it go straight up forever? I mean, well, you're just going to have to wait and see. Is this a good buying point? I mean, you really kind of just have to decide what your game plan is at these prices. Are you accumulating altcoins? Are you only accumulating Bitcoin? Are you a hodler? Are you a trader? Looks like we had some cup and handle action kind of coming in here. And whenever I do my TA, I don't really try to get too into it with all the moving averages with the RSI and all that stuff. I mean, you could, and I have tried to do that in the past, but I try to kind of look at the long-term picture, I guess, like long-term kind of swing trading kind of, when you try to just do the really quick trades, day trades, it's a lot easier to kind of get burnt, as they say. For me, I think I'm just trying to build up my position here and get ready for the next bull run. But looking at the big picture, I mean, we're definitely still down from the low of 20K, and I think these are good buying levels. The volume has really been increasing as well. When I do my TA, I just try to look at the big picture most of the time with Bitcoin. And lots of bullish action, I think, here, which is really good. The market sentiment is changing, but at the same time, you have to be kind of ready for all possibilities. And we could easily turn into a downwards bear trend for the next few months here. Definitely a possibility. Just gonna have to wait and see how it plays out. So next, I want to transition into something I wanted to share with you guys. This is a technique. This is called deep work, and this is by a guy called Cal Newport. So this method here, deep work, I found it pretty interesting. I first came across this, I think, beginning of this year, and it's really kind of helped me out with just my methods of focusing in on my goals, whatever I'm trying to accomplish. And I think we can apply this to have our own crypto deep work. And by that I mean, well, let me try to explain it a little bit more clear here, but this guy says that there's all the work that you do can be classified into two categories. You have deep work and shallow work. Well, what is shallow work? That would be typing a paper, filling out a spreadsheet, sending emails. It's work that you're doing, but it's not really that high intense, really cognitive, kind of deep thinking work. And what he's saying is that you should try to build up to around 4 hours of deep work per day, and that's from no distractions. No cell phone, no social media, no Facebook, no Twitter, no Instagram. And what he's saying is that in 2019, we're living in a year where it's just, there's so many distractions every day from social media, from all these things. And if you can take part of your day, eliminate all those distractions, and really just focus in on whatever you're trying to accomplish for a few hours a day, you can really get some benefits out of it and really make some really strong forward progress. So I'm going to call this our crypto deep work, and I'd say let's try to aim 2 hours a day minimum, no distractions, no cell phone, no anything. Just have your short-term, whatever your goals are that's on your to-do list that you're working on. Just focus in, no cell phone, nothing. 2 hours minimum, just focus. And that could be whether you're moving around, buying some more coins, reorganizing your crypto portfolio, rethinking it, that you've been in these projects for a while and you're starting to realize maybe they're not good projects. Maybe you've been in a few ones and you're thinking, okay, this actually is a really good project. I'm really liking what I see. I've done a lot more research. I need to accumulate some more here. Maybe you think that you just need to lock in some profits on something. Reevaluate your strategy. You're studying for a big exam and you just need to get those hours in every day. So I think it's a really interesting thing to look into. I would recommend this to everybody out there. Check it out. It's called Deep Work by Cal Newport. Really good stuff in there. And you can apply this to all aspects of your life. All right, and then I just want to finish up here with some altcoin announcements of our favorite altcoins out there. Let's check out, see what's going on Twitter here. We're Ross Ulbricht, he's still in jail. Hopefully he gets out soon. Tone Vase. Max Kaiser's on here. Bitcoin to hit 100,000. Gold going to 2,900. Well, interesting. Let's see if I can pull up some Electra announcements. Lots of exciting things happening. There are 2 new members to the Electra Foundation recently. Ben Fairbank, welcome to the Electra Foundation as lead business advisory board. This is huge news. This guy is very involved. He's the GM at Komodo and founder of Red Fox Labs. A lot of stuff. Look at that face. This guy means business. Look at that. Just stone cold. He is ready to do business. Welcome aboard, Ben Fairbank. Great addition. Another member who just joined. Let's see if I can find Michael Putman, aka Ivar the Ruthless, welcomes new advisory board member, and he looks great as well. Look at with the suit, looking fresh. Welcome aboard, Michael. Another great addition. He's doing great, and I like these new additions to the ECA Foundation. That brings some more kind of some new additions, some more, makes it some livelihood there, some action happening. And in case you missed here's a nice summary, the engineering call yesterday. In case you missed it, you can check out everything online, but let me just kind of go over the main things here. The summary, BIP 130, BIP 68 tested, integrated, new wallet versions out, make sure to update that ASAP. The mobile wallet, which you can see, the sneak peek is online. If you want to check out the sneak peek, that's just being finalized, should be out soon. ElectraPay is still being tested and still working on getting onto a reputable top tier exchange, but these things take time, so we ask for your patience at this time. And Foundation, some new additions, as I just mentioned. And as far as the Cryptopia situation goes, we are still we are working. The ECA Foundation is working hard behind the scenes trying to get the coins back. So stand by on that. And on to the next updates. Let's see what's going on with Denarius coin. Woo! Wow. Denarius. Let's see what's going on here. Make crypto great again. Check that out. Nice selfie of the lead dev of Denarius. And Denarius has really been the price action this past couple weeks has been really interesting. Getting some volume, getting some upward momentum here. And I was just speaking with the dev. The new wallet, version 3.3.9, should be being released soon, so stay tuned for that. And the syncing on that is a lot quicker block syncing. And just doing the final testing, getting out all the kinks and everything, and getting it ready to go. So make sure to check out Denarius there. They're all in Discord. And I believe that's it for today. Nice update. Today is May 30th, 2019. And this is my Twitter here. Make sure to give me a follow. Send me a message. Cucuta, Colombia. If anybody has been in South America, did some traveling, or lived down there at all, please send me a message. Reach out to me. I would love to hear from you about your experience in South America. And I think that's it for today. So just to recap, we did some TA, showed you guys a quick clip. I think that the deep work technique, I think this would be the most important thing. Really I would recommend trying to integrate this into your everyday life. You can incorporate the deep work strategies into your short-term and long-term goals, things you're working on. A lot more about that online. You could check it out on YouTube or just type it on Google. Highly recommended. Some deep work life techniques, and you can apply it to cryptocurrency as well. And then we just did some Electra Announcements and some Denarius Announcements, and hopefully in the future I'll be doing some more reviews here, some other coins, some more updates, some more market updates coming soon. And this is not any type of financial advice. I'm just giving some updates here and talking about some of the coins that I personally like. Please, if you do decide to buy anything, please do all of your own research and buy coins at your own risk and responsibly. That's very important. It's a very dangerous market out there in cryptocurrency land. A lot of money can be made or lost. So, that being said, I'm going to sign off here, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in today. Please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for lots of more cryptocurrency updates coming your way. Have a good day, everybody.